Microsoft HoloLens brings holograms into your real world. Using transparent lenses, spatial sound, and an understanding of your environment, holograms look and sound like they're actually part of the world around you. That is mixed reality. With Microsoft HoloLens, holograms are viewed through the holographic frame centered in the middle of your view. This preserves your peripheral vision, so you can move freely and connect and collaborate with people around you.
The Microsoft HoloLens is a mixed reality headset which allows the user to interact with 3D holograms. Mixed reality is the amalgamation of actual and virtual reality worlds to create new atmospheres where physical and computer-generated pieces meet and interrelate in real time. The development version of this product was released in March of 2016, and the retail version is expected to be publicly available sometime in 2019.
Being the world's first fully untethered self-contained holographic computer, the HoloLens is one of the most innovative examples of an advancement in modern technology.
Innovation can be described as something new or different that delivers value to the world. The HoloLens does this by projecting holograms using the headset as a viewing medium. Rather than having images overlaid on a screen, the HoloLens creates 3D interactive images and figures.
The device uses technologies such as hand tracking, spatial mapping, and spatial sound to enhance the user's experience and make the hologram seem more realistic.
Microsoft has primarily focused the marketing of the HoloLens on professionals, educators, and creators. These initial audiences have been chosen because the characteristics and features of this product can easily benefit and apply to these industries.
In regards to the marketing concept of innovation, the three types of innovations are continuous innovation, dynamically continuous innovation, and discontinuous innovation. As a significantly novel product, the HoloLens is a discontinuous innovation because it has the potential to significantly change contemporary lifestyles, and consumers must learn a new set of skills in order to adapt to it. Functioning similarly to a human brain, the innovative HoloLens has the ability to scan and interpret emotions expressed by the person the user is looking at. It also provides holograms that are interactive with the user. The HoloLens technology pairs well with any Windows 10 device and Xbox system, making it readily accessible to the user. With the 4K resolution, the user is guaranteed high-quality displays.
In contrast to its main competitors, the HoloLens differentiates itself with distinguishing features such as projecting interactive images rather than overlaying them on a screen. With more power than the average laptop and the ability to build custom apps, the HoloLens provides a very personalized experience. The holograms become interactive with the use of hand tracking technology that allows the user to swipe, scroll, zoom, and select what the user desires to view or interact with.
Gesture input on the HoloLens is similar to mouse clicks on a desktop. It works in conjunction with gaze. A user targets an item with their gaze and then selects or activates the target with a gesture. When a user places their hand in the field of view in the ready position, you get an activation event, indicating that the user is ready for input. A tap is synonymous with a mouse click and can be used to take action on the currently targeted item. You also have a tap and hold gesture, which is similar to holding the mouse button down while moving it. Rotation and zoom are typical uses of this gesture. Gestures are a natural and intuitive way for users to interact with mixed reality content.
Microsoft has segmented its target audiences for the HoloLens by using psychographics, meaning that audiences are separated based on activities, shared interests, and lifestyle choices. The HoloLens works well with design-oriented businesses involving architecture, automotives, and construction. As for developers and designers, interacting with holograms benefits them by enabling realistic visualizations of their creations, giving them an idea closer to the actual product. This can be done through painting and drawing apps provided on the HoloLens. In association with Xbox, the HoloLens allows gamers to stream their gameplay and operate with 4K resolution. A number of diverse games can be played and interacted with through the HoloLens. Sports viewers also get the added benefit of watching their favorite teams play in 3D, where they can view the stadium from a number of different angles and enjoy a more interactive sports experience. The technology provided by the HoloLens can also be used in educational environments, such as the medical community. Project EPSR, for example, is being created to help medical students better understand human anatomy.
As a product that can be used in educational and business environments, the Microsoft HoloLens starts at $4,379 Australian dollars, generally making it a high involvement purchase. The consumer's decision to purchase the HoloLens is mainly impacted by internal and social influences. The internal factor that would influence this decision the most would be lifestyle, because this strongly represents a person's opinions, activities, and interests. As for social influences, subcultures, social class, and opinion leaders dictate purchasing behavior. Subcultures including the gaming, car, and artistic communities would gain abilities from this technology that they would not have before, encouraging a purchase. The expensive product targets middle to high social classes due to their significant involvement in technological and professional fields. An opinion leader could influence the purchase of this product if there is someone significant in a field that followers aspire to be like.
Consumers would most likely apply the entire consumer decision-making process. Once identifying their need for a product allowing them to view holograms, consumers would then acquire information regarding the perceived risks of the product. Subsequently, consumers would evaluate their product options based on the competition, whilst relying on heuristics. After making the decision to purchase, buyers will assess their general feelings and opinions towards the HoloLens, determining if the product performance either met or exceeded their expectations.
Since the HoloLens is still in development, there are still numerous possibilities for technological expansion and learning opportunities. In regards to Project EPSR, teachers will have the ability to separate and amplify particular body sections and organs, making a student's education a more interactive experience. Additionally, physicians in medical clinics will be able to show patients how their bodies should function and compare that with conditions the patient may be facing. Not only is it present in the medical field, NASA is using the technology to view Mars and its landscape in a 3D format to better understand the universe. In a more general sense, Microsoft and the NFL are planning a partnership that will give viewers the ability to view 3D holograms of the stadium, see player profiles and football statistics, and watch the game from different stadium angles. This lets fans have an interactive experience while watching the teams they love.
In summary, the Microsoft HoloLens is an innovative device that appeals to different audiences and provides consumers with the ability to use and view technology in ways that were never possible before.